Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of December 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? So let's get started. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, let's see what's there for my Leos for the month of December 2021. Thank you so much for bearing with me as I am uploading it too late. So because as you know, because of my sick health and still my throat is a little sour, you might not be able to hear exact voice of mine. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Leos. At the back of the deck, we have the Emperor energy. Okay, so this is your overall energy. You might be feeling at a situation where you need to take some responsibilities in your head. You are the one who has to take charge of the situation. You are the leader person at present. Okay, so this is the leader energy. You are dealing with situations where you have to take decision making time in your life. Okay, so that kind of energies are quite going around you. In your past, we have 7 of Wands, 10 of Wands and the Devil. I feel that this energy of yours has come up in the present, in right now energy, because of your past energies, because there was a time people might be against you for many situations in life. You might have to leave home also. You might have left home. You might have left some certain things in life where it could be your comfortability, it could be other situations, and you took your stand at that particular point of time. You told yourself, you told the universe, you told the people around you that no, I am the one who is going to take stand of myself and no one else will. So that is why in the present we have the 3 of Cups, 10 of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Because of that taking stand in the past, it brought you a very beautiful present towards you. Okay, if you are not dealing with this kind of a situation, for many of you, I feel that yes, a beautiful time is coming towards you because of all the struggles you have had in the past. Okay, it's like celebrations. I see your present as, it could be present, it could be in the month of December as well. There are celebrations coming up towards you, new beginnings and happy marriages for many of you if you are getting married right now. In the coming future, we have 7 of Cups, Ace of Swords and the 7 of Swords. There is some kind of an unclarity in a situation. I don't know why, but you are going to, because your present energies are quite positive. Honestly speaking, it's positive. I don't know, but yeah, new things coming up towards you. I don't know, but for some of you, it's also an energy which I'm getting. I don't know, but it is only for some of you. For a third party, a marriage energy, you are happily married, but at the same time, there's a third party situation at present. Because some of whosoever is really happy, who doesn't know about your other person, you might not be knowing it, or you might have known it about your person over here, but there is a third party situation. Let's see. In the coming future, we have Seven of Cups, Ace of Swords, and Seven of Swords. I see some betrayal. I don't know, but there is a betrayal coming up in the coming future. I do not want to say this, but since it's visible, I really want to see the clarification cards for you, Leos, before saying anything further. Okay, let's see. Leos, what's the overall energy with the Emperor? Why the Emperor energy is here for my Leos, please? Queen of Cups, Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. Queen of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. Give and take process is going on. Love energies are there. But there is a Cancer you might be dealing with, or an Aries. But it's more like, some one person out of you two, there is one person who is giving too much in the situation. It's a give and take, but at the same time somebody is trying to hide his or her feelings because of that control, because as I told you that you are controlling yourself, you are controlling the situation, so you might be controlling the feelings of love as well. It can be you, it can be your person over here, okay, but there's definitely control in loving someone in front of you. In the past, why the Seven of Wands is here in the past energies for my Leos? Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and the Star. It feels like you have waited a lot for a situation to become fine by itself. It looks like so. Yeah. See, you were waiting for, either you were waiting for somebody over here, or you were waiting for some kind of a situation, definitely. Because there was already a betrayal, but at the same time somebody said sorry to you as well. There was a reconciliation after the betrayal, but again that betrayal happened. It could be a betrayal, or there was a lot of heaviness in you that you were not able to say or to accept that apology from the other person. An apology unaccepted. Let's see. Devil energy in the past. Why the devil energy is here for my Leos? Queen of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and Strength. Yeah, I feel that is the reason you are taking a stand for yourself. You are the one who is controlling your feelings, your heart, your brain, everything, because of all the shit which has happened in the past. Might be a marriage, a broken marriage, a very toxic marriage for some of you. With the Devil and the Hierophant, it was a toxic marriage for some of you over here. You were trying to make a marriage fruitful. Somebody was trying to control you in this marriage. Somebody was not good with you, and you were the housemaker. You were the person who was making things really fine. Things happened. Somebody said sorry, you accepted, and again apologies, and that again, same things. It's a cycle which is coming up over here. So that's why somewhere you didn't accept that sorry anymore, you did not accept that apology anymore. Three of Cups. The Empress, Emperor, and Two of Swords. Yeah, okay, so there is a third party definitely with the Empress over here. It could be a mother to your to you, basically not to you. It could be a mother or a child by you, a child of you. It could be anything. Okay, with the Emperor and the Empress, because this is definitely a third party situation with the Two of Swords as strong different opinions. Somebody is happy, but somebody is not happy. Why is it so? One person is happy in this marriage, the other person is not happy. One who is thinking that it's a toxic marriage, yes, that person is not happy. And the one who feels that this is not toxicity, or this is something how a marriage works, some kind of an illusion is there in this marriage, or in this situation, in this relationship, in whichever you are dealing with. Ten of Cups, King of Swords, Seven of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune. See, somebody is trying, or somebody is thinking that things might change, things might go really long way, this person might be fine, this person will become good to me with words. But no, I see brutality in the situation at present. What is this Ace of Pentacles? Three of Swords, Eight of Cups, and Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, a happy marriage or a happy married life coming towards an end of someone. Somebody was really happy in this marriage, but now it's no time, or there's no use to be in the same marriage, in the same situation anymore. That's why you are ready to leave that situation, Leos. Okay, let's see your future energies. Why the Seven of Cups is here for my Leos? Knight of Wands, the Sun, and the Tower. I feel that you might be confused, not because you want to. I think there is a leaving energy, there is an ending energy with this situation, but there is something new which is coming towards you, and this is why you are going confused. You want clarity in the situation, you want that things to become very clear. If things need to end with this person, please end everything, and then I want to start a new journey. I cannot be at two places at one time. I have to be in different place. I have to leave this situation. I have to go. Otherwise, it would be a betrayal for all of you. Because if this is a third party thing, it can be involving you in the middle as well. Okay, Leos. So leaving energies are definitely there with the toxic person. Whosoever was toxic, you are leaving that person definitely. Seven of Swords, Queen of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and Page of Pentacles. Definitely, you're cutting people off in the near future. You are leaving them. There is a leaving energy because you want stability in life. You want commitment. You do not want just anything. You're not an option. That is what you are saying. You want clarity, and you are seeking clarity, and you are getting it. Okay. Yeah, so Leos, that is all from my side, and thank you for bearing with my bad voice, and thank you so much. So we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.